Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C55, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So, firstly, open the settings and find here your storage. So scroll down, find about device. Here you will see storage, and wait a while. As you can see, I have used only 29 gigabytes of my storage, so I have 256. So remember one rule: never fill up your storage over the 70%, because if you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. It's always a good idea fill up your storage for about on 65% or a little more. Okay, the second aspect is the RAM, because all processes are running at the moment, they are running in RAM. So open RAM, enable RAM expansion and enable 6 gigabytes. Then you will need to reboot your device. I will click not now, but you need to click reboot now. In this way you will improve your RAM, you will extend your RAM storage, temporary storage, and in this way you will be able to have better phone performance. Then the last step you can do is to enable files application. This is the pre-installed apps, and to allow and click remove junk files. Clear and great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.